Hello students, welcome to the science class. Children, we have done two lessons so far. We also discuss exercise of this particular lessons. Now let's start with lesson number 3. Our lesson number 3 is animals, that is birds. Birds are the kind of animals. Birds are the very beautiful creature. There are different sizes of birds are present on the earth. The smallest bird is the hummingbird, whereas the largest bird is an ostrich. These are the amazing animals. They can fly in the air with the help of two wings. Their feathers are very beautiful. Some are having very vibrant and different colors. So let's learn about this beautiful animal that is present on our earth, that are the birds. In this lesson, we are going to learn what helps a bird to fly. How does a bird fly? Feathers, beaks, feet and claws, and nest. So let's start with some warm-up exercise of this lesson. Children, have a look at the pictures. Here are the 4 birds shown in the picture. First one is the owl, next vulture, third pelican, and the last one is an ostrich. Okay, now let's see the question. Here is the warm-up activity. We see many types of birds around us. Given below are some questions about birds. Can you answer them? The very first is, which is the largest bird in the world? And options are A. Emu, B. Penguin, C. Ostrich. Children, the correct option is C. Ostrich. Okay. Come to the next question. That is question number 2. Which of these birds has a huge beak to drink water? If you will go to the previous slide, we will come to know that the bird which is having beak with a bag-like structure, okay, and that is the pelican. Option number A, pelican. Third one, which of this is a night bird? Night bird means the birds which come out at the night in search of food. Here options given to us: A. Bat, B. Owl, and C. Peacock. Bat, though the nocturnal and fly in the air, but children, Bat is not a bird. Bat is a mammal. Peacock, we know that they are coming out during the daytime. They dance when during the rain, right? So option B, owl, is the correct option. Now fourth one. Which of these is a large bird with a hooked beak and sharp claws? Claws means their feet, their nails which are present on their feet all together. They're called as claws. Okay, so they're having hooked beak and sharp claws. Means these are the birds which are eating other small animals. So which is the correct option? A. Parrot, B. Hen, or C. Vulture? You know parrot eat fruits. Hen eats grains. So vulture is the correct option, which is having hooked beak and sharp claws to hold on to their prey, that is the small animals which they eat. Now let's see what helps a bird to fly. Children, as I told, the birds are very beautiful, amazing creature. Okay, now here are certain reasons, certain features they are having in them which help them to fly in the air. Birds can fly with the help of their wings, that we all know, right? But to flap these wings, they are having strong muscles. Okay, the strong muscles to move their wings. These strong muscles are called as chest muscles. Okay, they're called as chest muscles. Okay, so these chest muscles are strong enough to flap their wings continuously when they fly in the air. Next feature is that they have light feathers. Okay, feathers which are present on their body are fluffy. Some of them are strong one which are present at the wings and the tail region. These feathers help them, make them light and help them to fly in the air. Especially the flight feathers which are present on their wings and tail. They play very important role in the flight of a bird. Next is third feature, that is light hollow bones. Bones are hollow, they are not filled with the strong materials, and because of that they make the bird light in weight. As they make the bird light in weight, bird can fly in the sky easily. Now point number 4. Streamline or boat shaped body. Children, streamline or the boat shape. You know boat. Okay. So how it is? It is narrow at both the ends, right? And it is broad in the middle, right? So birds are also having the similar shape. Their beak and their tail part is a kind of narrow end, whereas the chest part or their abdomen part is the broad part. This kind of arrangement of the body helps them to cut through the air current when they are flying in the air. So this body shape help them to fly in the air. The last feature is a tail helps them to change direction. Children, when the birds fly in the air, when they flap their wings to fly, their tail change the direction when the birds are flying into the sky. So these are the 5 features which help bird to fly in the air. We all have to learn these all features properly. Okay, let's move to our next slide. Now next is, how does a bird fly? A bird moves its wings to fly and lift itself up in the air. It flaps its wings upward and downwards. Okay, you might have seen birds flying in the sky. It is moving its wings upward and downwards. Even when you are in nursery classes or your small classes, whenever you have enact the bird, you might have moved your hands up and down, right? So birds flap its wings upward and downwards. The upward and backward movement, okay, up as well as back at the same time, they are moving their wings backside, up, up and backside. Okay, so upward and backward movement is called upstroke, whereas the downward flapping of wing is called downstroke. When they flap their wings downwards, the wings also move little forward. Okay, so that movement of the wings is called downstroke. When the bird has to land, it spread its wings and glides down without flapping its wings too much. Okay, now let's come to this. See here, upstroke. Okay, when it is a upstroke, the wings are moving in upward direction as well as backward direction, right? When bird flap its wings downwards, so they are downwards as well as little forward. Okay, so this stroke is called downstroke, and this one, the upward and backward, is called as a upstroke. Downward and forward direction of flapping is called downstroke. Okay, let's come to the next topic. Next is the flightless birds. Okay, almost all birds can fly, but there are some birds like ostrich, kiwi, emu, and penguin that cannot fly. Can you give the reason why they cannot fly? Children, they cannot fly because of their huge body. Okay, they are having huge body, and even their wings are not so powerful their chest muscles are not so powerful or strong, you can say. Okay, they are not so strong, and because of that they cannot fly. Okay, instead they can run fast like emu, ostrich, kiwi. Okay, or they can swim just in a case of penguin. Okay, penguins can swim in water with the help of their flippers. They don't have wings, they have flippers to swim in water. So children, that's it for today. We'll learn more about the birds in our next lesson. Okay, till that, take care. Bye.